Hey guys, what's up? My name is Abhiroop. Inside of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can record your PC screen. A lot of people, have trouble in recording their PC screen during the, college presentations and stuff. So it's pretty simple. You just need to follow the procedures that I'm doing, and you can do it. I'm currently recording it using that software. So what you're going to be doing? It's going to Chrome, and you can just type down OBS download or just OBS. You'll get a link in the starting like this, download OBS. Click on it and you will be taken to a page like this. Now if you're on an Apple, you can just go select Apple. If you're on a Linux system, you can go select Linux. But if you're Windows, since I am on Windows, I would like to select Windows, and you just click on it, and I think it should be yes. As you can see, you can select Apple and you can select Linux like this, but you can just go here down and download installer. Since I already have this downloaded, what you're going to be doing is install it on your computer, and I'll say you the settings coming up. So yeah, let me just tell you, after installing it, you might find a page like this. Let me just open it up. So it's already running, so launch anyway. As you can see, it's gonna open up a page like this. So let me just close this thing and let me open mine. As you can see, I am recording. You can see my face cam over there. It's recording. So how did I set all of this up? So basically there will be a scene. There's a scene like this if you're like recording or something. So I just put it as scene, and then first you're gonna try to have your face cam. Like if you want to have your face cam, then you can use the video capture device. What you're gonna be doing, let me just freshly start it for you so that you guys can do it. I'll not remove the display capture, but it's because it is recording right now. So I'll just tell you what to do. Just remove the game capture. Yes, and let's remove the video capture device. Okay. So what you're gonna be doing right now, you can see what I'm recording on the screen, but you can't see my face. So this is also not going to be there, the display capture. Let me just turn it off. It's gonna be blank like this. So hit on the plus button, and then your screen is currently black, right? So let me just turn it back on. So you can see there's a plus button over here. Just click it, and you can go ahead and select a lot of things over here. So what you're going to be doing is click on display capture, and basically it's going to show you this thing, and then create a new one if you want to. Okay, after creating, like you can say okay, and then you can select on what display. If you're using a dual monitor, you can just go for a display 2 will appear for you. But since I'm not doing that, you can also select for your if you want to select your show your cursor, then definitely you can show it, and you can turn it off if you want to. So yeah, I'm going to select this and I'm going to click OK. So as you can see, I have two display captures right now. The display capture 2 is the thing that I'm going to show you on how to do. So I'm just remove this because I already have the display capture right here. So what I'm going to be doing right now is adding the face cam. Now you need to have a face cam connected to your PC or your laptop. So what you're going to be doing is clicking on the plus button and going ahead and click on the video capture device and click on OK. So I'm going to add the face cam. As you can see, the face cam is right on over there. So you can just select the integrated webcam that is on my computer and click on OK. What I'm going to be doing is decreasing the size of this, and how can you reduce the size of this is click Alt on your keyboard, and you can just reduce it from any direction. Wait, let me just show you. Yes, as you can see, I can reduce it from any direction, so that only my face is visible over here, and let me just reduce it from here, and you can just set it up and reduce the size of it. Simple, right? Don't use Alt while reducing the size, but if you're cropping your image, then definitely you will have to click on Alt. So what you're going to be doing here now, as you can see, I already have everything. I'm just minimize this, and you can just start recording. No. So what you're going to be doing, as you can see, your desktop audio 2, and mic, aux, and everything. So what you're going to be doing is going on plus and click on audio output capture or input capture, whatever you want to capture out. Okay. So those are not necessary if you don't want to. Just go to settings over here, and this is all basic general settings. If you're streaming, you can connect to your YouTube, Mixer, or Twitch, whatever you want to stream onto, and you can just go output, and this is going to be 2500. You can put the bitrate based on your internet connection. If you have a good internet connection, you can definitely put higher bitrate, and your encoder will also, you have two different types, software and hardware. So it all depends on your encoder and audio bitrate depending on your voice or mic. Okay, so there is a recording path. You can just click, you can just select the recording path if you want to. It's okay. So I'm going to audio. Then after going there, desktop audio 1 and 2, select your headphone. Okay, so whatever sound is coming, the headphone is going to be recorded inside of the game, inside of your recording. And as you can see, mic, I have selected my jack mic because I'm using the headphone mic. Okay, so if you're going to use the default laptop mic, then you have to select the microphone over here. Okay, or you can just select default. I'm selecting jack mic over here, and you can go down right now. As you can see, video capture device, push to talk is always there. You can select delay, you can put delay on your things. Okay, go to video, and obviously this is because I'm already recording, I cannot change it. So you can just change your resolution over here, and these are the hotkeys in advanced. Basically you can select your renderer, and you can do your process priority to high, above, normal, and normal. I've set it on normal because it is easier for me to do. And if you're streaming, you can put a delay on your stream, like any how much ever delay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, your wish. So it's basically 20 seconds for the default. So yes, after changing, you can just go ahead and click on apply and click on OK. And yes, there should be a mic testing over here. And as you can see, the mic and aux is like going up and down. So which means it is, it's able to record any voices. So let me put a song on something so that you guys can actually, the video capture device is, there's going to be desktop audio coming from here. Let me just put a song. Just go to the Chrome. And definitely I'm going to put NCS release so that I don't get copyrighted. As you can see, the rest of audios are going up and down. Right? Okay, that is the basic thing you want to be doing. Pause it out, just come out of it. And yeah, there you can see the rest of audio goes down again. So that means you're well and good to go, and you can just click on start recording. Right now it is recording, so I clicked on stop recording. And so yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and drop a like, and I'll meet you the next time. Peace.